What do you want me to say? Hello, welcome to New Jersey. My name is Jane.
Hi.
Hi! Oh my god, you're so tall!
That's not been good.
I have a present for you. Is it okay?
Thanks.
This is
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I hope it's okay. I made it myself.
glad to ella.
Sorry, I only know English.
Está en inglés.
Pero no quiero romperlo.
But you
Vergüenza, tío, todo el mundo grabando.
Para que no se
I'm only good at making books, so I made it
¿Qué
work.
te ha hecho ella? Oh,
Dale un abrazo.
thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Placer.
Yes, of course.
I have a camera.
Yes.
Sí.
Quiero tu- Oh!
It's a little.
¿Qué nivel le mete,
It's a Polaroid Spectra. So all you do is press this button.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
Oh, yeah.